Hello guys, for today's video I will show you my cards. So just wait. So this is what it looks like because I love Kuro. Oh, it's the back one. I love Kuromi guys. I love Kuromi. So let's open it up. I have a lot of cards. I will just show you the picture. I have the Uno Reverse. I have the Uno Reverse. Yes, I have the Uno Reverse. Uno. Backwards. Uno Reverse. Hatachi. That's not ordinary 7. Ha ha. That one. Ha ha. Yes. It's 5 in the back. Haha. I thought you. I literally caught you guys. I am cut in 4K, and I'm literally cut in 4K. Oh, la, grabe. Ay. Oh, I forgot. I'm Filipino. That's what just I want to show you guys. I'm closing it up. There, close and it up. That's not the part of the video. So that's just what I want to say and see. Please, we're almost to 10 subscribers. We only have 5 subscribers right now. Please just subscribe, guys. Please. You need to remember that. Okay? See you later in my next video. Peace.